As an executive, it is critical to receive timely and comprehensive fact-based insights. I am talking about financial performance like revenue, profitability, sales projections, and operations efficiency. But hey, I know you already know that. I mean, having the ability to see regionally or even just expense reports, right, can drastically impact your bottom line. With data as your partner, you'll know if and where your product categories are meeting your inventory or other KPIs, even the cost of goods sold. Executive reports assist with understanding performance targets for operations, financial sales, and profitability. But building and updating these reports for actionable and timely insights tend to consume a lot of employee hours. Trust me, I know. But if you team up with data, you won't have to go through this. For instance, when we look at things like budget and gross sales by fiscal month, how can an executive quickly understand the sales decrease from this chart without waiting for a response from a team member? How in the world would you be able to explain that and explain it fast? Well, I have a secret. By leveraging artificial intelligence, the answer is just a right click away. Thus, empowering executives to quickly gain insights from the mountains of data via graphs and charts. Now, you can give proficient feedback to all stakeholders. So, if you're ready to be an executive, we know you are. Schedule a meeting and let our journey begin.